Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel 256. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing how to make money online. Yeah, so if you're interested in making money online, just comment interested. I'm going to teach you free of charge how to make online. So without wasting any time, let me show you my account. Yeah, so this is my official account. As you see, you're welcome Muson Tech 256. Yeah, that is my official account. So I've just made 60 something within just 2 days. So yeah, this thing can work even for you. Yeah, it is like a side hustle. You can use it and you make money online. So what you need to do, just comment there that interested. I teach you how to make it without paying any single coin, how to do it. So that's all. Just comment. I am going to teach you how you can make online free of charge. Just comment interested and I show you. So that is how you make money online.